Welcome to AI in Marketing. I am your host and news curator, Stan Bertolo from Nitro Marketing. You will find links to all the stories mentioned in this episode in the show notes.
This is NIH, your voice for today's headlines. It's Tuesday, November 4. Here is what we are covering. The European Commission has introduced two strategies to boost AI adoption in industry and science across Europe. The Apply AI strategy targets sectors like healthcare, energy, and manufacturing, aiming to integrate AI into both public services and SMEs. It will allocate €1 billion to initiatives such as AI-powered healthcare centers and sector-specific AI models. Experience centers will offer advanced AI tools, while an Apply AI alliance will coordinate industry efforts. Meanwhile, the AI in Science strategy seeks to position Europe as a leader in AI-driven research through RAISE, a virtual institute for AI collaboration. The EU plans to double AI research funding under Horizon Europe to over $3 billion annually, supporting training programs and attracting global talent. These strategies are part of a broader plan to make Europe a hub for trustworthy AI. From Europe's AI strategies to OpenAI's partnerships, innovation drives the industry. OpenAI has struck a $38 billion deal with Amazon to use AWS cloud infrastructure for training its AI models, marking another significant partnership for the AI startup. This move highlights the growing interconnections within the AI industry as OpenAI continues to collaborate with major players like Google, Oracle, NVIDIA, and AMD. Interestingly, OpenAI initially gained prominence through its partnership with Microsoft, Amazon's key competitor in the cloud space, and Amazon also financially supports Anthropic, a rival AI company. This deal signals Amazon's strong stance in the competitive AI landscape, contradicting perceptions that it lags behind. Patrick Moorhead of More Insights and Strategy notes that this investment underscores the tech industry's need for expansive computing resources. OpenAI's strategy of diversifying its cloud partnerships aims to reduce dependence on a single provider. Amazon's custom setup for OpenAI includes specialized NVIDIA chips, enabling expansive AI capabilities. This aligns with OpenAI's transition to a public benefit corporation to facilitate further funding. Shifting from OpenAI's cloud strategy to AI's impact on dating apps, the New York Times reports that artificial intelligence is making waves in the dating app industry, offering users a fresh approach to finding matches. A startup named Known lets users interact with AI chatbots to specify their preferences and deal breakers, streamlining the matching process. Emma Inge, a 25-year-old from San Francisco, tried this service, which led to a promising match for a fee. Major apps like Hinge, Tinder, Bumble, and Grindr are now exploring AI to enhance user experience and adapt to the changing landscape. This shift comes as traditional dating apps face declining user satisfaction and revenue challenges, with companies like Bumble losing 9% of paid subscribers and Match Group seeing a 5% decline. Despite having a large user base, these apps rely heavily on the small percentage of paying subscribers for profits, prompting a pivot towards AI-driven solutions. The industry hopes to combat the so-called cycle of despair by offering curated matches instead of endless profiles. As AI transforms dating apps, Facebook groups also embrace new capabilities. Meta has updated Facebook groups, allowing admins to switch private groups to public without risking member privacy. Existing posts and member lists remain private post-conversion, ensuring past content is safe. Admins are notified of the change and have 3 days to reconsider. Members are informed of the switch and reminded when they first interact in the new public group. Once public, new posts and reactions are visible to everyone, including non-Facebook users, helping content appear in search engine results. If public status doesn't suit the group, admins can revert to private. This update helps groups expand their reach without needing to start from scratch, balancing growth with privacy concerns. From Facebook's privacy features to Nadella's views on AI challenges, Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella, discussing AI's evolving challenges, emphasized that power, not semiconductors, is now the main bottleneck in AI development. Speaking on the BG2 podcast with OpenAI CEO Sam Altman, Nadella highlighted the shift from hardware shortages to power supply issues, noting the need for infrastructure to support AI chips. Altman predicted that excess computing power would emerge within 2 to 6 years. Nadella outlined Microsoft's dual factory strategy, aiming to enhance AI efficiency, with a focus on both computing infrastructure and software ecosystems. Altman praised Microsoft's early support of OpenAI, crediting Nadella's belief in their potential as pivotal to their success. Both leaders see AI's role in scientific discovery as a key future goal. Transitioning from AI's power issues to Waymo's robotaxi expansion. Waymo is expanding its robotaxi services to Detroit, Las Vegas, and San Diego, marking a significant step in the company's commercial growth. This move follows Waymo co-CEO Takidra Mawakana's statement at TechCrunch Disrupt 2025, emphasizing the need for the company to scale operations. The Alphabet-owned company aims to offer 1 million trips weekly by the end of 2026. Waymo's approach involves initially using human drivers to map city streets, gradually transitioning to fully autonomous vehicles. Las Vegas Mayor Shelley Berkeley praised this technology as a safe, reliable alternative for residents and visitors. Waymo has previously introduced its autonomous vehicles in these cities and already has engineering teams working there, facilitating smoother integration. Waymo's expansion and Adobe's enterprise solutions signal tech growth. Adobe Max 2025 showcased a significant shift towards enterprise solutions, unveiling tools that streamline content creation and management throughout its platform. Key highlights included enhancements to the Firefly platform with AI models from Google and OpenAI, and the introduction of Firefly Foundry, a service for enterprises like Disney to build custom AI models. New projects such as Moonlight, an AI assistant for planning, and Graph, a creative workflow tool, were launched. Adobe also expanded its content authenticity initiative for AI transparency and announced a Google-YouTube partnership. With these innovations, Adobe aims to integrate creativity and enterprise functionality, establishing itself as a central hub for AI-powered creativity across industries. From Adobe's AI creativity tools to Sephora's creator-driven commerce, Sephora has launched My Sephora Storefront, an affiliate program with 1,000 creator storefronts, aiming to deepen its engagement in the growing creator commerce market. Creators can showcase their favorite products on Sephora's site, generate shareable links, and earn commissions on sales. This move aligns with the rising trend of creator-driven sales platforms, a market projected to reach $16 billion by 2028, currently led by third-party platforms like LTK and TikTok Shop. Brent Mitchell, Sephora's VP of Social Media and Influencer Marketing, highlighted that the initiative is part of the company's strategy to capitalize on the creator's influence, particularly during the upcoming Sephora Savings event and holiday season. The program initially targets creators with over 3,000 followers on platforms like Instagram and TikTok, focusing on those who can represent Sephora effectively. Sephora plans to expand the program, opening it to more creators meeting the criteria, enhancing collaboration opportunities.
Thank you for tuning in to AI and Marketing. If you want to learn more, check out the episode description. Be sure to subscribe on your favorite podcast platform so you never miss an episode. Contact us to learn how to launch your own AI-generated podcast at nitromarketing.com. That's NYTRO marketing.com. See you tomorrow for more AI and tech news.